Here's another little extra. This is from the paint from my split cup that I just did. And I have it on a piece of cardboard that's coated that will probably make it able to be peeled off when it's dry. So something a little extra. I hate to waste paint. I hate to throw it away. And if you can see it, it's kind of like what Anne-Marie would use as a Yupo paper, only this is recycled paper that I had. And I'd tell you what it's from, but it might embarrass some of the ladies. Well, it won't embarrass me. It's just a thing from undies. The back part of when you get 3-pack or whatever. And it's nice and slick. So it should peel off real easy. Now underneath the painting that hopefully I won't drop, there's a whole bunch more paint. You see that? I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to salvage that, but it might dry. So I'll leave it be. It's on wax paper and we'll see how it goes. But I'm just going to stretch this a little bit more. I wish it had a little more blue in it, but it doesn't. So we'll just make it be a happy smiley face or something. But I wanted to get that, and now when I turn off the video, as you can see from that one that I made, now when I turn off the video, I'm sure I'm going to have a blue mark on my phone. So this is Angela with Creatively Done, and this is just a little something extra from my split cup pour.